Hi. So, this video is me doing the Tumblr accent challenge. And yeah, I'm not tagged by anyone since actually I don't have any friends. So, anyway, let's do this. If I'm not getting the whole thing wrong, the accent challenge is me using English, answering questions and reading words so that you can know how I pronounce my words, stuff like that. Yeah, so let's start with my name and my username on Tumblr. My name is Cici. I don't know if that's how everyone pronounces it. Is C-E-C-I? Yeah. And my username is Cici Illustrates because that's practically my art blog and I put pictures on that. Yeah. Where I'm from? The second question. I am from Hong Kong and my mother tongue is Cantonese. English is my second language. So yeah, we are reading words now. So aunt, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, pecan, both. Again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, cot, naturally aluminium, gift, tumbler, crackerjack, doorknob, envelope. What is this? G-poi? What's that? Yeah, and now the question parts. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? I don't know what it is. I don't know, toilet papering? What is a bubbly carbonated drink called? A soft drink. What do you call gym shoes and trainers? What do you call your grandparents? Grandpa and grandma? What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? Shopping cart. What is the thing you change the TV channel with? A remote control? Choose a book and read a passage from it. Yay, reading! Luckily, as a very intellectual human being, I've got English books, yay! And I'm just going to read the very first few sentences, I guess. Act 1, Scene 1. A busy and crowded station full of people trying to go somewhere. Amongst the hustle and bustle, 2 large cages rattle on top of 2 leaden trolleys. They are being pushed by 2 boys, James Potter and Albus Potter. Their mother, Jeannie, follows after. A 37-year-old man, Harry, has his daughter Lily on his shoulders. The end. An awesome story, right? Next question. Do you think you have an accent? I mean, doesn't everyone have an accent? Yeah, sure, I have an accent. I don't know, I'm told my accent is closer to American, but actually, I have no idea what my accent is like, what I sound like. If I have to describe it, I'll say my accent is the internet accent. Thanks, internet, for teaching me English since, I don't know, 10 years ago. Okay, be a wizard or a vampire? Well, I thought this is obvious, and I must know the room. Do you know anyone on Tumblr in real life? Yes, one person. Well, she's a friend of mine, she's awesome. The last question. End audio post by saying any 3 words you want. Positive mental attitude. Yep, I don't know, I'll put this on YouTube, by the way. Okay, that's my Tumblr accent challenge attempt, and I don't know if I should tag someone else. So if you're interested after seeing this and you want to do it, just do it. So I don't know, thank you so much for watching, and bye!